Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Perfectly Imperfect Gardening. I'm Tanya.
I'm C. Baron. How y'all doing?
And today we'll be doing part 2 of the herb garden. We're going to be completing it. I had one of my subscribers ask me to show in more detail about the Dollar Tree stuff I had because in part 1, I just showed y'all inside of the cart. But I'm going to show you guys more detail about that. We're going to get the rest of the herb garden completed. Step by step, we're going to get it all done. Well, not step by step because we got some of the stuff done already.
One step at a time.
We got a lot of it done already, but we're going to complete whatever we need done that's left. So y'all sit back and relax and watch this clip while we get to work.
Give me some sugar.
Previously on Perfectly Imperfect Gardening with Tanya.
This the area right here we fixing to make into a herb garden. All right, y'all. Getting these bags filled up. I had this stuff from Dollar Store and put around a tree. Bought me some new gloves. Stuff like this. Some more new little pots. I had this down. I'm gonna put some cardboard in there and then before I fill it. And he got this bed back there done. And I moved that plant from here to there. I still got the bags. I'm gonna put them somewhere up in here. Get everything cleaned up. Get all this cleaned up. Get all this finished. I'm gonna finish across here and all that good stuff. So when I come back, y'all, I should at least have that stuff done. But I just wanted to keep y'all up to date to where we at now. Y'all, I didn't mention that this is part of my birthday gift that he had gave me. He gave me a gift card for Amazon, and that's how I was able to get all the stuff for this project, and he's helping me put it together. So that's why I'm so really excited, because this is my birthday gift. So thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Appreciate this so much, because he knew how much I wanted this herb garden. This is the stuff that I showed you on part 1 that was from the dollar store. I had more stuff, but I put some out already. But I just want to give y'all a little detail of the new things that they have at Dollar Tree. $1.25. Ain't they so cute? Little gnomes and the little signs. They have it in the bumblebee style. Be kind. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing with all this stuff like this in a minute. The humble that you can hang. They have like the little the little pot hangers that I'm gonna utilize inside of the herb garden, the herb / workstation. They have these that you hang. Home sweet home. Another home sweet home. The love of family make life beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And little stepping stones to give a little pop in your work area, walk area. I'm gonna show you guys how I use all this stuff in a minute. And also these pots. I showed you guys already how I put them around the fence, but I'm gonna show you guys again. Well, I also got this in the mail, guys. Hold on, let me turn it. The garden pathway. It's a roll-out pathway. Let me show y'all. Let me take it out. This is the rest of that tarp from when we did that over here. So I'm gonna roll this out here in front of here. I moved the stand to over here. gonna show y'all everything in a minute. Let me see how this look rolled out. I gotta play with it. Let me play with it and then I'm gonna come back. Alright. Now this is how it looks so far. And I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna get all this grass up out of here. And I'm gonna mulch this all the way on down. And I'm gonna put some stepping stones, and I'm gonna probably put some stepping stones here to get that done. I'm gonna have my husband dig that out. And he is also cleaning this area right here out because I'm gonna mulch this to make it even all the way down here. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the other Dollar Tree things that they have new for the 2024, spring of 2024 that I utilized inside the garden. The stepping stones, see they have the bees stepping stones here, and I got some of the other ones too. And I put them all along here. They look good together like this. Along here, I put the little gnome that I got from right there. Oh, the little signs turned a little bit. Let me turn those. Have to pull some of the weeds coming from the other side through the fence. I put the little gnomes in there. Since the last video, I filled these up with some sedum. These little bee pots. See, they look good by themselves as an accent piece. Right here. I also got this sign right here from there for the 2024 Spring Dollar Tree. And I also got this sign right here that warped already a little bit. But I got that. These right here is better because it's like cement, plaster or something. There. And around the tree, guys, I threw little stuff I already had around here, and also stuck some of the Dollar Tree things, like the little gnomes right there. That's from the Dollar Tree, and that little house back there is from the Dollar Tree. One of the gnomes fell down over here. I have to pull the weeds already. The ladybugs I had got from back here. I had got these from Hobby Lobby. I'll pull that later. I had got those from Hobby Lobby. And the gnomes back here got from Dollar Tree. And like the butterfly, the bees, that's hanging. I also got those from Hobby Lobby. So guys, that's my Dollar Tree things that I put out. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you all where I'm ending that for today. But I got this cleaned out too. I remember last video was messed up, so I'm showing you guys. I got it cleaned out. Y'all see, remember I told you guys on the video that when I put these in, the one called how to choose the best rose, and I say you'll get roses this season if you pick like I told you guys to choose. See, they all getting flowers already, buds already. But this one for this right here is the yellow. Hold on, I'm cleaning it. Right here. Sun Sprite. One of these coming up. Put that back over here. And this one is this one here. It don't have a bud yet. This one here does. Let's see what it is. Oh, pink. Let's see. Paradise. Hybrid tea. Paradise. Right here. It's coming. Do any more have any? Well, when I put those in, I told you guys I was putting the rest around here. Well, I just showed you guys. Let's put those over here. Two of these, I don't know which ones it was the grade 2. I think it was this one and the one at the end over there, but I'm not for sure. But this one right here is budding. Y'all go check the video out, how to choose the perfect rose, so that you could be able to get roses the season that you put them in. So oh, okay, I forgot to show you guys this. I got these little things here from Dollar Tree too for $1.25, and I put them over here also. Thought that was so cute. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I got done so far in the herb garden area. This the area right here we fixing to make into a herb garden, which I'm gonna show you guys from each way. Okay, from this way. I'm not done yet. This is part 2. I'm gonna fill this all in with mulch. All this got to get filled in with mulch. I put the Dollar Tree stuff here. I hung them up on the wall. I put 2 pots. I'm gonna fill those up with for herbs. I'm gonna do the pots and fill up the beds next video, guys. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button, that like button. But this is what we got so far. And I'm gonna fill all the pots up and the beds up. Let me show you guys from the entryway of how it's gonna look. Let me go back a little bit more so y'all can see. Okay, let's go. When you come in, first you're gonna see the peach tree right here. When you look this way, you see the giant passion fruit. The roses I just put in. Some hibiscus I put in from clearance. They should come in beautifully one day. So, oh, and my daughter, let me show y'all. Now my camellia that my daughter got me for my birthday last year. Was it last year? Year before last. This is the one, the birds got it, y'all. But this was the one that the passion fruit tore all the leaves off. But it's still getting a lot of buds, and the flowers are all still blooming. But look how pretty that flower is. It is so pretty. Yes. Oh, I get so distracted. Let me start over, y'all. Okay. This for when you first come in. Then when you go to the left, you'll be seeing my new herb garden here. My little runway path. I need to get some more mulch. Then I put some bricks this way to lead up to the water fountain. Let me turn. You look that way. I put more Dollar Tree things, the little rocks I showed y'all here. I fill the beds and stuff up next video and tell y'all what seeds and everything on growing, and y'all get a better look because we got a little dark. The sun is going down. I love it so far. So far, so good. Y'all, I love it, love it, love it so far. So y'all tune back in for the next video so that y'all can see what seeds I'm gonna use, what plants I'm gonna use, and how I'm gonna put them in. So thank you so much for tuning in to the end of this video, and I'm gonna see you next video, part 3.